So number 11, graph the equation y equals 3 over 5x on the coordinate plane. This is coordinate plane. Okay, again, what do we do? One more time, 100th time. We make a table at least for 3 points. The first one, 0, is going to be 0 because any number when you multiply by 0, it's going to be 0. That's why 0, 0 should be that point, okay? Next, for better understanding, for better multiplying, let's take one point x, let it be 5. Then 3 over 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, it's going to be, you simplify this and it's going to be 3. So y is going to be 3. Okay, and let's us have minus 5. You do the same, but here you get minus 3. Okay, now you put 0, 0 here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5 is here. 5 is here and 3, 1, this is 2, so this is 3. 3 is here, okay? 3 is here. Like 3, we may write here 3, we may write here 5. This 1 point is here. Then minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5 is here. And minus 3 is here. So the dot is going to be with those coordinates here. Now again, you take a ruler and make a straight line across these dots, okay? Using the ruler, you make nice line. This is how we graphed that equation. Now let's go to number 12. Okay, a movie theater sends out a coupon for 70% off the price. Okay, first of all, we need to find out what does it mean 70% off. When the whole ticket costs 100%, minus 70% is going to be 30%. That means that we pay for this ticket only 30% of the whole price. Okay, write an equation for the situation where y is the price of the ticket, y is the price of the ticket, okay, and x is the original price. X is the original price. So y is going to be 0.30 multiplied but by original price. This is the equation. Now when we graph that equation, okay, so explain why line should be only in the first quadrant. The question is why line should be only in this part of the coordinate plane, okay? If you draw like this, so the question is why the line should be only here. And you remember, because numbers are going to be positive, okay? Actually prices are positive numbers, not negative. So the graph doesn't go to minus, minus, and minus. Because here we have minus numbers, going down we have minus numbers. So that's why graph should be here. And this part is called the first quadrant. Okay, that's it with number 12. We still have number 13 and 14 to do, and that's it. Okay, number 13. An equation and a graph of proportional relationship are shown, which has the greater unit rate. Okay, first of all, we need to review what does it mean unit rate. Okay, unit rate is something when the denominator is 1. Okay, so actually what do you do here? 47 you divide by 2. 47 you divide by 2. And you see that this is here the unit rate is going to be 23 and 0.5, okay? But when you look at the graph, okay, the graph you see is at 94, this number, okay, has a dot crossing this number. So, and according to this, when you divide 94 into 2, y over x, you will get 47. So here unit rate 47. Here unit rate 47 divided by 2. That means which greater rate unit, right? That the graph, not the equation, but the graph has the greater unit rate, okay? Okay, next, number 4. Car X travel 186 miles in 3 hours. It's the equation of the line that describes the relationship between distance and time. Easy peasy. Distance. Okay, distance, as usually distance goes this way. Distance and time goes this way, okay? So now the equation is going to be like this. We divide 186 we get the constant of proportionality or to get the slope, and is going to be like this. Now we need to see which graph is the relationship. The distance of distance line. So sorry, we have distance that was not okay at all. Okay, here we have distance time. Okay, and the point for crossing is 113 to 3. Okay, if you divide 213 into 3, you will get 71. This is not our number, this is not our equation. Okay, next one, C. You have 248 crossing with 4. So when you divide 248 by 4, you will get the answer 62. So this is our graph. Okay, and the last one you may just check. You may check the same numbers, but the line doesn't go to the origin. Okay, so this is not correct because it doesn't represent proportional relationship. And why it's not correct? Because here is time, here is distance. Okay, should be vice versa. Distance should be y, time should be x. So this is not correct. So be careful when you solve questions like this. Okay, now have a look. Again, you may stop and check, do you have the same? Okay, and that's it. We finish lesson to 7. So next time we start with lesson